What's up, my people? It's your boy King here. Something happened some days ago. One of my downliner, I think that was on Friday. Yeah, Friday last week. So one of my downliner came to me and told me that remind me about one update that I shared then about a free update where you can earn free USDT without referrals, without investments. Just do the little easy task that they normally give to someone maybe every day or some days. I actually dropped this update and I had issue with them, and I actually, this is a post I made on my WhatsApp group. I had issue with them and all these things, and because they said that I'm doing bot referral, and I angrily left the project. So after the guy told me about it, this is the update. This is when I dropped the update to my WhatsApp group. So after the guy told me about it, I actually tried my best to try it out to know if the update is still working. So this is it. I earned USDT from it. That is one USDT. After when I was trying it out, I earned one USDT on it, and this is the USDT on my Ton wallet on my Telegram account. This is the USDT, the wallet I connected. So in today's video, I'm actually going to drop the update. I've actually dropped the update in my WhatsApp group. Don't worry, those of you in the Telegram channel, I'm also going to drop the updates for you guys. So just watch this video and see how you're going to do every single thing in the video. So while watching the video, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not, and make sure you join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. It's very important, so that whenever I drop an update, you are going to be one of the first people to see it before even coming to YouTube. What else I do? Let's dive into the main video. So first thing you have to do is follow the link in the description of the video, maybe my Telegram channel link or wherever, or the direct link to this particular bot is going to bring you over to this particular bot. This is the Laughter bot. What you have to do is to click on launch app. Maybe is the first message is going to give you is let me check the first message. So it's going to tell you what the bot can do. Then start it up, browse, create your account as a freelancer, not as a client. Create as a freelancer, you understand? So once you are done, it's going to ask you to register your account. So while registering, you're going to use my Twitter handle. I dropped it in my group. Twitter handle. You're going to use my Twitter handle this is it. This is my Twitter handle here, money-minded 697113 as your referral code while registering. So while registering, use when it asks you for referral code, use my Twitter handle, and then follow them on Twitter. Connect your wallet, your Ton wallet, because they are paying USDT in Ton. So your Ton wallet, connect it, and then you are ready to go. So we are going to be giving you some tasks to do. So in case if you don't know how to do the task, I had one task. Actually, they always give me tax every single day. So that's that says you have received a new deal request. So you have received a new deal request. How it's being done is they're going to give you the request here. Let me click on home. It's going to take me over to home. Just watch this video attentively, because these people are paying. Like, they are paying without referral. That my downline that made up to 50 USDT with them, he didn't even refer anybody. When I asked him, he said even without referrals, he had made up to 150 USDT low key. I love the way it says low key. So the thing is, you have to earn up to 300 points for you to fully have access to USDT or tax. You have to earn up to 300 points, and I've actually earned 180 points. And inside that 180 points, I still have some pending projects, some pending tasks to be delivered. This one, I think I have 4 tasks. So this particular one is kind of pending for now, because I've not referred anybody. I made this USDT without even referring anybody in this particular account. So now let me show you guys how to complete the task. It's very simple to complete. So once they give you ongoing deal, go over to your ongoing deal. You're going to see the task. So this one is the one that says action required. So I'm going to complete the task right now. So this is it. You have to connect your Twitter handle. Yeah, because you're going to be completing some projects, some tasks here. So it says 10 lucky winners. Don't even look at whatever you're going to earn from this particular one. Just get put your interest in how to complete this particular task. So it says like and comment tweet, required action, like and comment tweet. So in this particular project it says 1 2 3 like, comment, tweet, like, comment and tweet in this particular Twitter and the Twitter post. It's a Twitter task. So I'm going to earn 10 points from it, making it up to 50 points that is still on review from them. So before you know it, I'm going to complete that 300 tasks and 300 points task, and I'm going to be earning almost daily, I think daily, free USDT task, which is going to be rewarded to me. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on the, first of all, before you even tap on it, maybe go over to it, accept the deal, click on yes, confirm, then you have accepted the deal. So the next thing is to go ahead and complete those tasks. Tap on it, it's going to take you over. I set Chrome browser as my default browser, so it's going to take me over to Chrome browser where I logged in my X account. So it says like, tweet and like, retweet, and let me check it again. Like, comment and retweet. Okay, like, comment and retweet. So let's just see. So it's very simple. You can comment anything good, just something that makes sense. So let me say I'm interested, I'm gonna love this one. Maybe put an emoji of happiness or something like that. Just make it look real. So, and then click on reply. You have done the first thing. So like it and then retweet. So I've liked and retweeted. So if I go over to my accounts now, my accounts, where is it? So I'm going to screenshot this because they need you to screenshot it. So I'm going to screenshot it. So this is just it. So now you are going to go back. I'm going to go back. So do the same thing in the 3 tasks over here. So after you have completed the whole thing, like retweet and like repost and comments. After they have done it in the 3 posts, you can go ahead and click on confirm delivery, and then it's going to, once each and every one of them you did, try and screenshot them. So this is the screenshot. Click on upload screenshot. So I'm going to upload the screenshots one by one. So this is the first screenshot. Let's give it some time to upload. So the first one I've done. Second one, this is it. And the last but not least, the last one. So this is it. So after you're done uploading the screenshots which you had about the project, the next thing you have to do is to click on submit work, confirm delivery, and then click on request reward. You are done with the task you need to do. So each and every task which is being given to you, go ahead and do it like this. Each and every single task which is being given to you, do it like this. So after doing it, you're going to see that it's now in delivered, awaiting payment. So as you can see, I have around 1 2 3 4 tasks being waiting for to be paid. The payment is now being waiting for to be paid. So this is just it. So this referral one, you are going to, if you click on join level here, this particular one is for people that can refer. First place is $50, second place is $30, third place is $20. So you can go ahead and try your best and know if you can refer. I think to qualify for a prize, you need to at least refer 2 people. So if you want to you can refer 2 people. Once you do it, click on confirm delivery. Even if you didn't receive, even if you are not up to one of the first to third, at least you are going to get 10 points in it. So I have not referred anybody in this particular account, so I'm not going to click on confirm reward for now. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from the video. Go ahead now and do every single thing needed. Once you have up to 300 points, you are going to earning straight USDT deal every single day. So this is it. The video is already long and I don't want to prolong it. If you got value from me, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.